Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you to all my friends. Today I want to make a call and request the all blacks, Hispanics of American and European to come back to your ancestor religion Islam. Today I will speak about the truth of Moors. The Reconquista was a period in the history of the Iberian Peninsula. In the 12th century, the great Moorish stronghold in the south fell to Christian forces in the 13th century after the decisive battle of Navas de Tolosa 1212, Cordova in 1236 and Seville in 1248, leaving only the Muslims enclave of Granada as a tributary state in the south. After 1491, the entire peninsula was controlled by Christian rulers. The conquest was followed by a series of edicts 1499 to 1526, which forced the conversions of Muslims and Jews in Spain. The Muslims who were converted by force to Christianity called Moriscos, and Jews converted by force were called Maronite Christians. The Moriscos were the descendants of Spain's Muslim population that had converted to Christianity. They included Arab, Africans, Berbers, local Spanish and Portuguese. Millions of Iberian Peninsula local people converted to Islam at that time. Muslims state of Iberian Peninsula had been in trade with America. Muslim sailors were visiting the South, Center and North America before the arrival of Christopher Columbus. Beginning with the 1492 arrival of Christopher Columbus in the Caribbean and gaining control over more territory for over 3 centuries, the Spanish Empire would expanded across the Caribbean island, half of South America, most of Central America, and much of North America and Mexico. It is estimated that more than 3 million Moriscos migrated to America from Iberian Peninsula between 1492 to 1610. There was migration up to 18th century by Moriscos from Iberian Peninsula to America. All rich families that time, all rich families who migrated to America, they took Moriscos as slaves, with them approximately 500 to 1000 with each family working in the farms and other labor work. There was a systematic transfer of millions of Moriscos to Spanish colonial America. Even Moriscos expelled to America, France, Italy, Greece, Cyprus, Netherlands, Britain, Austria. The families from these countries also who migrated to America also carried Moors as slaves. The historian also recorded that many centuries the Moriscos, today's Moors, used to practice their rituals and practices privately. Still, there are some symbolic rituals which are similar to Muslim practices. The Islamic living style, thinking, inculcate, inbuilt in style, Moors living style. If you study their Moors living style, you can find the Islamic or Muslim rituals in their practices, their thinking also in their practices, even their caring for their families is still is a Islamic way. In the year 1990, I met a delegation of the Hispanic Maronite Christian in Greece, and we had discussion. I inquired them about the Iberian Peninsula, Spain and Portuguese Jews who were forced to convert to Christianity, called Maronites. They confirmed that they were belonged to the same community. They said we still exist all over the world. I asked them about the Moriscos. They told me the Moriscos today defined as Moors. They told me the Moriscos of the Muslims who converted by force to Christianity today defined as Moors, and the Maronite Christians, Jews defined as Maronas. The Moriscos Moors were the Muslims, people of the mixed Berber, Arab, Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, African descent. In the 18th century, in the 8th century, the Moors conquered the Iberian Peninsula, what we know today called Spain and Portugal. Today I make a call to all Moriscos, Moors all over the world, ex-Muslims living in South, North, Central America, Mexico and Europe to come back to Islam. The old and your forefathers' religion, O Moors, O Moriscos, your forefathers were Muslims. They had been converted by force to Christianity. They were cornered and forced. But I request to know about your old religion Islam. Read the Quran, the last final message to all mankind. Read about the Islam and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, biography. I request you to join to Islam and get eternal peace in this life by following one and only God, and success in hereafter. After your death, join to your old religion Islam and get success, equality, respect and peace. Inshallah, inshallah, Allah will shower His mercy on all mankind. Please contact me if you need Quran translation in English and many other languages. I will try my best to help you. Also, Prophet biography and other Islamic material. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel to get more. Thank you very much.